Anhui JNGE Power Company Limited, established in 2010,